And then Ganapati, Archana or Homam is advised. And then lucky number will be 5. First, 6th and 8th dates, Sunday, Wednesday and Friday are good days. Next, Karkadakam. What is the English word? Punarvasu, 4th Padam. Pushyami, 1st, 2nd, all Padams. And Aslesha, all Padams. Karkadaka Rasi. Income will be 8 and expenditure will be 11. Respect will be 3, disrespect will be 3, equal. And for Karkadaka Rashi, they will participate in a lot of Shubhakaryas this year. For employees, it is very good this year, and there will be promotions for Karkadaka Rashi people. And because of Shani in the Tula Rashi, so they will have a lot of travels, unnecessary travels. And then for students, this year is good. And employees, this year is good. And for those who are waiting for buying new vehicles, this year is good. And for Karkadaka Rashi people, Shani, Rahu, Ketu, Tairabhishekam is good, or at least Stotra Parayana. And then every day if you can read Ganapati and Vishnu Sahasranama Parayana, Ganapati Stotram and Vishnu Sahasranama Parayana, so you can avoid a lot of problems. And this year for you, lucky number will be 2, and 3rd, 6th, 9th dates, and Monday, Thursday and Friday and Sunday are good days. Simha Rasi. Magha, Purva Baluni and Uttara Baluni, first part. Income will be 11 and expenditure will be only 5. So first, previous Rashis, they can depend on them. Rajapujyam, respect will be 6 and disrespect respect will be 3. So as a whole, Simha Rasi is good this year. And this year, for Simha Rasi people, Shani, Guru, Jupiter, Saturn and Rahu are very favorable this year. And Mars is a little upset with you, so there may be some surgeries this year. Be careful with your health. And not everything is fine, not any suggestions actually for Simha Rasi people. And this year, February, March months, the next February and March months will be very good for you. Lucky number will be 1, 3rd, 4th dates in every month. And Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday are good days. And this year, if you have any problem, Surya Namaskara or Arunam Parayana or at least Aditya Hridayam, chanting of Aditya Hridayam, Durga and Chandi Parayana, and if you can fast on Tuesdays and Thursdays, that will be good for you this year. And Kanya Rashi, Kanya Virgo. Every year when I make the calendar, I do with this, but again I forget the English names. So Kanya Rashi, Uttara Bhagavani Nakshatra, 2nd, 3rd and 4th quarters, Asta Nakshatra and Chitra Nakshatra, 1st and 2nd padams. Income will be 14 and expenditure will be 11. Respect will be 2 and disrespect, avamana, will be 6. And for Kanya Rashi, there will be fightings in family, so you should be very careful. And then there will be health problems this year. Nakala bhojan, untimely food, unnecessary travelings this year. But Jupiter is very friendly for you this year. So all your efforts will be good. You will get success in all your efforts. And then those who are waiting for buying a house, this is a good time for you. And then for women, if you are waiting for children, this year there are a lot of chances to get children. And then ancestral properties, if you are waiting for any, this year there are chances to get the ancestral properties this year. And then all your elders' blessings will be on you this year. This year for Kanya Rasi people, Tuesday and Thursdays if you can fast, or some niyamas, fasting, puja, whatever, it will be good. And then Rudrabhishekam every month at least once if you join or participate in the Rudrabhishekam, that will be good. And the lucky number will be 5. First, third, 4th and 6th dates, Monday, Wednesday, Fridays are good. And women of Kanya Rasi this year, Anjaneya Stotram, Krishna and Lakshmi Stotrams are good to do. Thursdays and Fridays if you can fast and do puja, you can avoid all your problems. It will be good. And then Tula Rasi. Tula means measuring unit, right? Tula. So Tula Rasi, Chitra Nakshatra, 3rd, 4th Padams, Swati Nakshatra, and Vishakha Nakshatra, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd Padams. Income will be 11 and expenditure will be 14. And Rajapujyam, respect will be 5 and Avamana, disrespect will be 6. And this year, for Tula Rasi, because Shani is in Tula, this year, for some people, according to the planetary position, again I want to give a clarification here. Shani, normally we think Shani is a very bad planet. It's not true. Shani, according to the, not only Shani, Jupiter is a good planet or bad planet? We think he is a good planet, but according to the place he is, and according to the Druk, means how he is looking, in which house he is looking. Depending on this, they make you good effects, they make you bad effects. So this year Shani is very friendly for you. And then there's nothing special for Tula Rasi people this year. Because of Shani, you will get a lot of good things this year. But for the students, this year is a little tough, so they have to work very hard. And for Tula Rasi people, the lucky number will be 6. 3rd, 4th, 5th and 8th dates, Monday, Friday and Saturdays are good. And this year for Tula Rasi, Navagraha Japam or Navagraha Danam or Navagraha Stotram at least. If you can do, that will be good. And Rudrabhisheka and Sundarakanda Parayana is advised for Tula Rasi people this year. Or Annapurna Ashtamam or Shivastuti are advised to do this year. And Vrishchika Rasi, Vishakha, 4th Padam, Anuradha and Jyeshta. This year income will be 2 and expenditure will be 8. And Rajapujya, respect will be 1 and disrespect will be 2. And for Vrishchika Rasi this year, you may get some health problems now and then, but not very severe. For students, this is a very normal year, not very good, not very bad, it's normal. And then employees may have to go to court sometimes, not everybody. And then there may be changes for business people, there may be changes in your business. And then this year for Vrishchika Rashi, shares and then self-employment this year is very good. So those who have own businesses, self-employment, and those who invested in shares, this is a very good year. So you can invest in shares, but don't rely on me. Whatever I said in the Sanjana, tomorrow don't come and fight with me. Because you said on the Ugadi day, so we put all of my money in shares. So, and then this year, lucky number will be 8. First, second, third and 7th dates, Sunday, Monday and Thursdays are very good. And Lakshmi Narasimha Swami Stotram, Puja or Abhisheka is good for you, or Rudrabhisheka. And then Lakshmi Narasimha Archana 2-3 times Lakshmi Narasimha Aradhana is very good for Vrishchika Rashi people. And then Dhanu Rashi. Dhanu Rashi Moola, Purvashada and Uttarashada first padan. Income 5 and expenditure 15. And respect 4, disrespect only 2. And this year for Dhanu Rashi people, not anything, any specific advices given for Dhanu Rashi people. It's normal. But for employees, for politicians, there are some months, very critical months for employees and politicians. May, June, July, November and December, these are the critical months. Otherwise, everything will be good this year. Lucky number will be 3. First, 3rd, 5th and 7th dates, Sunday, Wednesday, Thursday are good. Guru, Rahu and Ketu, Javan or Stotra Padam or Abhisheka is good this year. And then Lakshmi Stotram also you can do this year. For women, Thursdays if you can fast, if you can do puja, that will be good. And this year, otherwise everything is fine. And Makara Rashi, Uttarashada 2nd, 3rd and 4th quarters, Shravana Nakshatram and Dhanishta 1st and 2nd padams. Income 8, expenditure 8. And Rajapujyam respect 7, disrespect only 2. And this year for Makara Rashi people, because Mars is in the 8th house, there will be some mental worries and tensions. All of a sudden you may have to borrow money from people. And then blood pressure, BP. And very often you will fire on your friends and relatives, your family members. And there may be some differences with own kith and kin, with own brothers and sisters. So you should be, what they say is very clear, be careful with your tongue. That is what they want to advise. So this year for the Makara Rashi people, for students it is good. Students will qualify their exams. And then lucky number will be 8, 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th dates. Thursday and Friday, Saturdays are good. Navagraha Japam and Vishnu Sahasranama Parayana is advised for Makara Rashi. Lakshmi and Lalita Parayana is also advised. And then Kumbha Rashi.